Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be unboxing the Boxycharm Premium subscription for the month of September. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this Boxycharm Premium, stay tuned. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Boxycharm Premium, it is a monthly beauty subscription from Boxycharm where you receive between 6 and 7 full-size items each month for $35, and the box has a value of at least $175, I believe. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and jump in and see what came inside of this month's Boxycharm Premium. When you receive the box each month, it comes shipped like this. Inside of a black and white box, it says Boxycharm. And when you open it up, it says Boxycharm there. And it also says at Boxycharm and hashtag Boxycharm on the top there, if you can see that. And then down below, it has your items packaged nice and neatly, and the card is on top. Now, it looks like this month's theme is Glam Vibes Only, and here's what the card looks like. Now, on the other side is a listing of the products inside of the box. Also, just to let you know real quick, when you subscribe to Boxycharm or Boxycharm Premium, you do have the ability to choose one of the products that goes into your box each month. Now, when Choice opened last month for Premium, I was a little late getting there, so I didn't really like any of the products that were left, so I just went ahead and told them to choose for me. So I have no clue what's inside of this box. Okay, the first thing I'm seeing inside of this box is from Emma Hardy, and it says Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. Increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, balances the skin, antioxidant protection. And this is 1 fluid ounce, and here's what that looks like. I've never heard of this brand before. Here's what that looks like. And again, it is a facial oil. I actually do not want to open this because I have a bunch of facial oils, and I'll probably wind up gifting this or passing it on to someone. But you can see inside of there, it does have like a dropper to drop the product out. The value of this facial oil is $55. The next item I'm seeing inside of the box is an ice roller for your skin, and it looks like it's from a brand called Kish. And here's what that looks like. I think I got something similar to this in one of my FabFitFun boxes. And this one says it's surgical stainless steel roller. And it just says, this ice roller is your new at-home facial. Made with high-quality surgical stainless steel, it helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviates sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for best results. And this retails for $18. Now again, guys, I don't really want to open this because I already have one, so I'm probably going to either put this in a giveaway or pass it on to someone else. Next up is something from Ulla Henriksen, and it's the Fat Glow Facial. And this says, fights all major signs of aging, instantly exfoliates and illuminates with PHAs and Nordic birch sap. It's a facial mask. Okay, so this is a mask. And I really like this brand, so this is probably something I'll keep, so let's go ahead and open it up. And here's what the packaging looks like. And on the card from Boxycharm, it says, get flawless skin in a flash with PHAs, the no downtime exfoliating acid and key ingredients in Ulla's first one-step at-home facial. What makes PHAs so special? They're fat. Literally, like AHAs, PHAs deliver skin-perfecting, age-fighting results. But PHAs are just a little plumper. They're a bigger molecule, so they don't go as deep as they loosen up the glue that binds the surface layer of skin together and reveal the newer, fresher skin underneath. That means less irritation and recovery time for everyone, even sensitive skin types. All right, so I'm interested in trying this. I love a good mask, and like I said, I love this brand, so this sounds really interesting. If it's gonna plump up my skin, I'm all for it. And this mask retails for $50. Now, I am noticing that my box is definitely skincare heavy. Maybe they're trying to tell me something, I don't know. Anyway, the next item I'm seeing inside of the box is a coconut coffee scrub from Frank Body. Okay, so it's a coffee scrub. And this coffee scrub retails for $18.95. So I'm assuming this is full size. I love a good scrub, so I'm really not mad at getting this at all. All right, guys, a couple more items in here. The next thing I am pulling out is from Marc Jacobs. All right, and it's a High Shine Gloss Lip Lacquer. So it's a lip gloss from Marc Jacobs, and the color is called Allow Me. I'm excited. I don't think I own anything from Marc Jacobs. So let's go ahead and open it up. I take that back. I might have a mascara. I'm not sure, though. I'm not sure. Oh, look how pretty. Look at that. That is absolutely a beautiful, beautiful gloss. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Here's what it looks like. It has a nice little tint, so it's enough that you can just wear this alone and have a nice flush of color on your lips. It feels really good when you're applying it. It didn't feel sticky at all, and it went on really, really smoothly. Also, it does have a doe foot applicator there. Very nice. I'm excited to get this. I really am. I love a good lip gloss, so can never go wrong with that. The value of this lip gloss is $29. All right, guys, the last thing inside of the box is what I'm absolutely excited about, and this is the Queen palette from Eloise. I actually forgot that everybody was getting this until I opened the box, so I'm super, super excited. I did see someone do swatches, and I thought it was just absolutely beautiful. Even the packaging is amazing. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And it says that this 20 pigment palette has 4 stunning textures, 8 buttery matte, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. Nice. Let's take a look at this. Here's what the packaging looks like out of the sleeve. It's pretty much identical. It has a nice, huge mirror there, guys. And it says Eloise the Queen underneath. Very nice. Look at those colors. Look at those colors. Look at those colors. I love it. Absolutely love it. You know what? I have to swatch it. I have to swatch it. I don't think I'm going to swatch all 20 of them, but I'm going to swatch a few just so I can tell you how they perform. Let's do it. All right, guys, so I fibbed a little. I am actually going to swatch them all. I started swatching them and I could not stop. They are absolutely gorgeous. So here are the first 10 shadows swatched. Look at those colors, guys. I am in love. I am so happy I got this palette. I cannot wait to play with it. Love it. And they all swatch really, really well. Look how bright and vibrant those are. Let me go ahead and share the colors with you real quick. We have Empire, we have Sheba, we have Kingdom, we have My Lady, and this one's Curtsy, and this gorgeous, gorgeous blue right here is Throne. This purple here is Powerful, and then we have this gorgeous, gorgeous bronzy gold color, which is Jewels, and then we have Rainy, which is like a gold color, and then we have Empress, and those are the first 2 rows. I am loving it. Okay, so here are the second 10 shadows swatched. Again, they are so, so pretty, so, so pretty. Let me go ahead and tell you what they are. This is Majesty, this is Queen, and this is Your Highness, and then right here we have Elizabeth, and then we have Crown. Then we have Monarch, we have Honorable, we have Amina, we have Regal, and this gorgeous, gorgeous teal color is called Sovereign. This color is amazing. I absolutely love it, and it's swatched absolutely beautifully. As you can probably tell, I really, 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 really love this palette. This one item made the entire box for me. Not that I didn't like the other products, but this right here, this could have been the only thing in the box, and I still think it would have been worth the $35 that I spent. So every other item inside the box for me was really just a bonus. Anyway, that was the last item inside of this month's Boxycharm Premium that I received. So just to recap real quick, I received this absolutely gorgeous palette, which retails for $46. And then we got this Ulla Henriksen mask, which is $50. We got this face oil from Emma Hardy, which is $55. We got this ice roller here, which is valued at $18. We got this coffee scrub here, which is valued at $18.95. And last but not least, we got the Marc Jacobs lip gloss, which is valued at $29. So the total value of my box this month was $216.95. Guys, I think that is just awesome for a $35 box. And to be quite honest, I'm definitely going to use this palette. The face roller I'll probably pass on or put in a giveaway only because I already have one. The face oil I'll probably pass on only because I've gotten a ton of this lately in subscription boxes. And this Ole Henriksen mask is definitely a keeper. I'll be using this, and definitely this Marc Jacobs lip gloss. So I think this box was a win. I really like it. Let me know down in the comments below what you thought about this box and what was your favorite item in this box. If you're not subscribed to Boxycharm but you'd like some more information, I'll go ahead and leave a link to their site down in the description box below. But anyway guys, that's everything that I have for today. If you're not quite tired of hanging out with me yet, I'll leave my recent video linked up here so you can check that out if you like. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today, guys. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, I hope each and every one of you has an absolutely fantastic day. Take care. Bye-bye.